Over the last week, I've built a Hawker Hurricane RC airplane. It is constructed out of fan-fold foam, the wingspan is 48 inches, and the paint job is done with Sharpie. The power system is a 60-gram, 1050 kV outrunner. I am powering it with a 3-cell, 1300 mAh LiPo, and it's spinning an 1147 prop. Sorry about the bad quality, but here are some clips from the maiden flight. Well, it's got a tad more dihedral now. But other than that, everything's fine, just needs some more carbon fiber in the wing. Brass tube that made the dihedral just bent on me, so. So what happened is when I tried to pull up, the brass tubing that connected the two carbon fiber wing spars in the center just bent from the forces. When it did this, it also cracked the underside of the wing. To fix this, I put some white Gorilla Glue on the cracked wing, put some box tape over it, and then on the top of the wing, I carved out little grooves and added a piece of carbon fiber. I carved out the grooves so I could keep the dihedral of the wing. When the glue was done drying, it was ready to fly again. Here's some video clips from the second flight of the airplane. I'll bring it out and then come back in low and slow. I'm very impressed with the flight characteristics of this airplane. It handled the wind really well. Both times I flew it, the weather channel said the wind was somewhere around 18 miles an hour. It's real fun to fly, and with the power setup I have unlimited vertical. If you would like to build one for yourself, the links to the RC Groups thread is in the description. If you like projects like this, be sure to check out my website, backroomworkdesk.com, and thanks for watching.